Welcome back to How Car USA, where we explore cars built for real life, not hype, and today we are taking a closer look at a very unique and future-focused vehicle, the 2026 Honda CR-V fuel cell. The Honda CR-V fuel cell is designed for a very specific type of buyer. This is not a replacement for the regular gasoline or hybrid CR-V, and it is not meant for mass adoption just yet. Instead, it represents Honda's careful and realistic step toward a cleaner future using hydrogen fuel cell technology. Offered only in California and produced in limited numbers, this CR-V requires owners to think differently about how and where they drive. Hydrogen refueling stations remain limited, even in California, which means ownership requires planning. To reduce this concern, Honda combines fuel cell power with a plug-in battery, allowing the vehicle to function like a normal daily driver while advanced technology quietly works in the background. Pricing places the 2026 Honda CR-V fuel cell firmly in the premium category. It starts at $51,450 United States dollars and is offered only in a fully loaded touring trim. This simplifies the buying process while ensuring a high level of standard equipment. Features include leather upholstery, a digital instrument display, a heated steering wheel, and a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Buyers can choose only between white or gray exterior colors, reinforcing the idea that this model focuses more on purpose and technology than customization. Under the hood, the CR-V fuel cell uses a hydrogen fuel cell system paired with a single electric motor producing 174 horsepower. Power is sent to the front wheels, delivering smooth and nearly silent acceleration similar to a fully electric vehicle. Two hydrogen tanks are positioned beneath and behind the rear seats, while the fuel cell system and drive unit sit in the engine bay. What truly separates this model from other fuel cell vehicles is its 17.7 kilowatt-hour battery. If hydrogen supply runs low, the battery can provide up to 29 miles of additional driving range, offering extra peace of mind. In everyday driving, the CR-V fuel cell feels calm, balanced, and easy to manage. Steering response is natural and slightly sharper than the hybrid version, giving the vehicle a confident feel on the road. Acceleration is steady rather than quick, with an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 8.6 seconds. While it is slower than the CR-V hybrid, performance is not the main focus. Instead, the emphasis is on smooth delivery, quiet operation, and predictable behavior in daily traffic. Total driving range is estimated at around 241 miles using hydrogen alone, with the battery extending that range slightly further. Hydrogen refueling takes only a few minutes, similar to filling a gasoline vehicle. Charging the battery using a 240-volt source takes about 2 hours. Drivers can also choose to recharge the battery using power from the fuel cell while driving, adding flexibility during longer trips. Inside, the cabin closely resembles the standard CR-V with a clean and modern layout. The honeycomb-style dashboard design hides the air vents and adds a refined visual touch. Seating is comfortable for long drives, rear legroom is generous, and the driving position suits a wide range of drivers. Cargo space is reduced compared to other CR-V models due to the placement of the hydrogen tanks, but it remains practical enough for everyday needs. Technology is managed through a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is simple, responsive, and easy to use, making the CR-V fuel cell approachable even for drivers who are new to advanced powertrain technology. The 2026 Honda CR-V fuel cell is not a car for everyone, but for the right buyer it offers a rare combination of zero-emission driving, advanced engineering, and everyday usability. It represents a thoughtful step toward the future, without forcing drivers to give up the comfort and familiarity of a CR-V. Thanks for watching How Car USA. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more future-focused vehicle reviews and technology updates. We'll see you in the next video.